Hello everyone, this is Robbie, Akshan Auto. Welcome back to the channel. I apologize, I know I haven't posted in quite some time, maybe 2 months or so. I have been working. I actually took up a part-time corporate job, and then I'm working at the shop part-time. Just wanted to make a quick little video, give you all an update on the Maverick. I've owned it since January 18th, and now it's August 23rd or 22nd. Alright, so we're at like 4,700 miles right now. 2 months ago, at around 3,000 miles, I checked the oil in the truck, the engine oil, and it seemed gritty to me. I couldn't tell if it's plastic, if it's metal, if it's sand, or what it was. So I took it over to the dealership and they checked it, and they said, oh, well, it's a new engine, that's normal, and if there's any metal in it and anything happens, you have warranty. Okay, so alright, no problem. I let that go. Now, last week on the 17th, actually I think it was the 15th, last Monday, whatever date last Monday was, everything was normal. I left the house with the truck, I came to the shop, then I left to go do, pick up parts or whatever. I came back, everything was fine. Go to leave, the truck was completely dead. I couldn't understand why. There was no warning, no nothing. So I jumped it, at the port inside the engine bay, and the truck came on, everything was fine, no check engine light. It drove fine, I drove it home. I got home, I turned it off, tried to turn it back on, truck completely dead again. So I got out, I jumped it again, took it to the dealership, and told them what was happening. I left it running when I was there, told them what was happening, and they said, well, okay, we got to put it on Ford's battery charger system, whatever, and test it. So, takes about an hour. So I did that, I waited. And after an hour and a half, they came back to me and said, well, the battery tested fine. I'm not sure which battery they mean, if they mean the hybrid battery or the 12-volt battery. I'm thinking the 12-volt one. But anyway, the battery tested fine, but now we can't power the truck at all to even take it off the lift. So you're going to have to leave it. Alright, no problem. I have to leave it. Now, what do? I don't have a car. Well, we don't give loaners. I could put you in a rental and then bill it back to Ford after the fact, and it'll be between you and Ford if Ford pays for it. Now, guys, this is a 6-month-old truck, less than 5,000 miles. Anyway, the truck stayed there for 2 days, and then they finally called me, and I'm gonna read to you from the paperwork they gave me. Alright. Customer concern confirmed. Vehicle would not start. Now, the truck was completely dead. Charged and tested battery and charging system. Both passed tests. Scanned EEC for codes found related to the issue. Performed pinpoint test B for code P as in Peter 068 Alpha. Instructed to replace PCM. This did not seem like the correct solution to the issue, so I opted to change diagnostic procedure and testing. Vehicle acts like there is poor battery connection. However, battery connection is tight and battery is good. Place vehicle on lift and checked starter connection for tightness. Test pass. Checked HD fuses for good fit and connection. Test pass. Performed voltage drop testing, both with and without cranking, across the following circuits. Sam David Charlie 02 circuit passed, both while cranking and not. Charlie Baker 11 circuit passed with key, but failed while attempting to crank. This circuit clearly has a poor intermediate connection issue. Replaced starter relay with known good relay. didn't say a new one, but whatever. Test failed. Still has cranking issue. Discussed issue with a senior technician. Was told there may be an issue with the main power feed at the Baker Jack Baker. Performed voltage drop between battery and, again, Baker Jack Baker circuit. Sam David Charlie O2 test passed when not cranking and failed when cranking. Further inspection of connection at Baker Jack Baker discovered that lug at the Baker Jack Baker BJB had separated from the wire at the solder point. Stripper back wire and tape to expose issue and send picture to Sam Charlie SSSC to show failure on new vehicle as requested by FMC Ford Motor Company on these type of repairs. Located a viable lug replacement from aftermarket stores. Crimped on new lug and performed steps to make it weather and abrasion resistant. Test repair pass. Final road test pass. Scanned EEC Echo Charlie and cleared any codes related to repair. All systems now functioning normal. So that's it, guys. They recommended an oil change and tire rotation, which I can obviously do here at the shop. They're not going to do anything else as to like a 5,000 mile service or anything. I asked him. I did ask the service advisor to go ahead and perform any bulletins from Ford, any recalls, safety or not. And after 2 days, 2.5 days, they said that they would go to pick up the truck. They didn't do it, so I have to take it back again at some point in time to get it done. But I'm just giving everyone on here an update. I will scan and upload these so that anyone can read it. I don't know if anyone else would have the same issue or does have the same issue. It's just information for everybody. Not too happy on a brand new car, but you get what you pay for, so it is what it is. Other than that, the truck has been perfect. Another issue is gas mileage has dropped over 100 miles. I don't know why. I haven't been driving differently. Initially I was getting around average 600 miles to a tank. Now I'm getting 480. I'm down to like 39.9 or something from 56 point something. Don't know what's going on there. I saw some videos stating that because of the extreme heat, running the air conditioner and things of that nature, is causing mileage to drop. I really don't know, but mine has dropped over 120 miles. And again, I'm not driving any differently or any longer distances. Everything's the same. So that said, guys, thank you for your time. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. If you like the video, please share it. And there will be more videos coming as I have time. I have to try to figure out a schedule. But again, thank you so much. Have a great day. Goodbye.